Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss about what happens after you pass DHA examinations. So there are two things to note in this. First thing is if you have already completed your Dataflow. Second thing is that no, you just have written your examination. So first let us start with the Dataflow. So if you have already completed your Dataflow plus you have completed, you have scored your DHA examination, you have cleared your examination, then what is the next step? The step is that you have to go for getting an eligibility letter. So from where you can get this eligibility letter? Should I pay for it or how much time will it take for that? So first thing is that after you have got your DHA exam result, what you can do is in the same portal which is known as Sharian portal. So in that portal you can apply for the eligibility letter. So once you have applied, it will take almost 7 to 10 working days to obtain or to get this eligibility letter. So then next step is once you have got your eligibility letter, then you can start looking for jobs in Dubai. Once you have got a job, then the hospital will apply for license. You are not going to apply for your license. On behalf of you, the hospital which provided employment for you will apply the license for you. Now the second point which we have said is you have only completed your DHA examination and you have cleared it, but you didn't do Dataflow. In that scenario, second step is you have to complete your Dataflow, which will almost take 30 to 45 days. Once you got a positive Dataflow report, now next thing is that you can apply for the eligibility letter in the same portal. It will take again 7 to 10 days to get your eligibility letter. After that you can look for the jobs in Dubai. So two things, it's always better if you can do the training of the examination plus the Dataflow processing together simultaneously so that you are not losing your time, because Dataflow will take minimum of 30 to 45 days. Your training will also take a minimum of 1 to 2 months. So meanwhile you can finish both and then you can write the examination, and once you have cleared the examination within 10 days you will get your letter, eligibility letter, and you can start looking for jobs, and once you got a job you can start working. Otherwise what happens is after clearing the examination, again 45 days for the Dataflow, then again it will take another 10 days for the eligibility letter, then you have to start looking for the job. So it's up to you which way you want to choose and all, like whether you want to go for the examination first, because some will be having a concern, will I pass the exam or not, should I waste money for myself? So what you can do is, in those scenarios what you can do is you can just write the examination and see whether you will clear or not, then you can do the Dataflow. Otherwise somehow you want to go to Dubai, in those scenarios what you can do is do the Dataflow at the same time you can do the training as well, then you can go for the examination. So almost everything you can finish within 3 to 4 months.